take a picture of you. At least the bluegills are biting. Shoot! Yeah, at least it felt good. Barely hooked. Yeah, I caught one. What we got here? Another bluegill. Little teeny one. Little small one. Woo! Thinking the trout are not hungry today. We'll keep trying. Yeah, another bluegill. That's a bigger one. Seems like they're a little closer to the bank today. Yeah. Seems like a little bit closer to the bank. I might latch into a trout here, left over. There it goes. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, little crappie. Oh, look at that. He didn't get my mealworm either. Little thin fellers, ain't they? Shoot. Little thin fellers. You can read a paper cut. But they're not far off the bank. That's cool. There you go. Oh man, I had one. Did you see that? I think I buried it. They liked orange. He had that buried. Oh, I think that's a trout, boys. Oh yeah, that's a trout. Nope. A big old crappie. A big old crappie right there. Yeah. That's a bigger crappie. Heck yeah. nice one. Heck yeah. You have about 4 or 5 or 6 of them, you could eat them. It's a nice one. Old trout magnet with a mealworm. There's what I'm using. Trout magnet with a mealworm and a bobber, slip bobber. I might tear you into a, I thought for sure that was a trout. See what happens again. We had that buried. A chunky bluegill right there, son. Then he had that one buried. My mealworm back. There it is. Getting chunkier. Now I've tried red and orange and caught fish on. I'm gonna try this yellow. Oop. I think I've done used this one before. And of course we're gonna tip it with a mealworm. Oh, that's what they're hitting. But you can catch something. It's funny. Some other lakes I fish, I don't have to tip them with a mealworm. I just catch bluegill. Weird. Good job, Mr. Duck. Bobber's up. So, got something. Ooh, fighting good too. Could be a big old bluegill. Crappie, I think. Heck yeah. Look, another one. Look at that. It's 3 crappie. Paper thin, but you can have it, Bubby. Yeah. They're hitting on all collars. Man, they're thin. Look at that. Heck yeah, they're biting pretty good. Just for an evening, 5:30 after work. Something to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I just stopped here after work. Just get out of the house. Awful nice day. And I got more videos coming. I appreciate you watching. Get out and go fishing whenever you can. You never know.